fun in playing. Let's play with blocks.
Let's play with blocks.
I like this toy.
I like this toy.
This is my favorite game.
This is my favorite game.
Don't break the toys.
Don't break the toys.
Can I play too?
Can I play too?
Let's ride the bicycle.
Let's ride the bicycle.
Let's go to the playground.
Let's go to the playground.
Push me on the swing.
Push me on the swing.
Catch me if you can.
Catch me if you can.
That's a funny joke.
That's a funny joke.
Let's play ball.
Let's play ball.
I'm faster than you.
I'm faster than you.
Be careful on the slide.
Be careful on the slide.
Let's jump rope.
Let's jump rope.
Home and daily routine. It's time to wake up.
It's time to wake up.
Time to take a bath.
Time to take a bath.
Put on your clothes.
Put on your clothes.
Take off your clothes.
Take off your clothes.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Let's clean the room.
Let's clean the room.
Make your bed.
Make your bed.
Fold your clothes.
Fold your clothes.
Pack your bag.
Pack your bag.
Don't forget your shoes.
Don't forget your shoes.
Put your toys away.
Put your toys away.
Switch off the light.
Switch off the light.
Eating in food. I want some water.
I want some water.
I want some milk.
I want some milk.
I want some juice.
I want some juice.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm full.
I'm full.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your fruits.
Eat your fruits.
Don't waste food.
Don't waste food.
This is tasty.
This is tasty.
Pass me the spoon, please.
Pass me the spoon, please.
Pass me the fork, please.
Pass me the fork, please.
Let's have breakfast.
Let's have breakfast.
Let's have lunch.
Let's have lunch.
Let's have dinner.
Let's have dinner.
Don't talk while eating.
Don't talk while eating.
School and learning. Open your book.
Open your book.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Read aloud.
Read aloud.
Draw a picture.
Draw a picture.
Color the picture.
Color the picture.
Learn the spellings.
Learn the spellings.
Count from 1 to 10.
Count from 1 to 10.
Solve the question.
Solve the question.
Recite the poem.
Recite the poem.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Show your work.
Show your work.
Don't copy from others.
Don't copy from others.
Finish your homework.
Finish your homework.
Time for a quiz.
Time for a quiz.